Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My sister slash client drove over 3 hours to get her hair done, so you already know I couldn't disappoint. Today I'm showing you how I completely transformed her tapered natural cut into this gorgeous head of bouncy curly twist, and we did it all in just 3 hours. For the braid pattern, I did 6 rows of individual plaits connected straight back, stopping right around the mid-scalp area. This keeps the parts from extending too far back and creates a supernatural, balanced look. Now this pattern allows for both middle and side parting, while the boxes give the illusion of individual twists, not crochet. On the far front sides, I did 2 straight back cornrows, feeding the end of one into the next. Then I connected all of the front cornrows into one large zigzag braid down the center. Because she has a taper cut and the nape of her hair is very short, I didn't attempt to catch the nape of her hair because I didn't want to apply any unnecessary tension. Plus, the crochet braids are going to be long enough to disguise the nape of her hair, so I really wasn't concerned about that. The hair I'm using today is the Kingston Passion Twist Hair. Each pack comes with tons of strands, so I only needed 2 packs total. Now, what I love most is that each pack includes 3 lengths, 10, 11, and 12 inches, which gives you that effortless layered look without any extra cutting. I'm using the standard crochet method for installation. Now, personally, I like to insert the hook in the direction I want the hair to fall. That way, the knot sits underneath, it's less visible, and the hair lays flatter against the cornrow. You'll notice I'm also twirling the loop around my finger. This helps make the loop smaller, so when I pull the hair through, the knot tightens up and feels much more secure. Okay, y'all, I'm done installing, and the hair already looks absolutely amazing. We could stop here and she could wear it like this, but we're not going to do that. We're going to take it up a notch. I'm adding some curls using these medium-sized perm rods. For a spiral curl, I roll the hair halfway up the shaft without overlapping. This gives a natural bounce instead of a tight coil. To set the curls, I dip the rods in hot water from my electric tea kettle, then use the cool setting on my blow dryer to lock everything in. Cooling the hair down before removing the rods is so important. Taking them out while still warm can cause the curls to loosen or fall faster. Once the curls are completely cool, I remove the rods by twirling them in the opposite direction they were wrapped. Now I'm going to spray a generous amount of got-to-be glue spray to hold everything in place. And look at her already acting brand new. She hasn't even seen her hair in the mirror. I guess she can feel that it's going to be so bomb once I finish. So I'm going to finish up with a quick trim and shaping, and that'll be it. So you all make sure, stay tuned and watch all the way through. I'll be back in a second to show you all the final results and some glam shots. Y'all, these twists came out so cute. The hair feels soft, it's lightweight, and full of body. And you know what? Honestly, it held the curls way better than I could have ever expected. And as you can see, she is beyond satisfied with the results. Once she got all glammed up, she could not stop smiling, which honestly made my heart smile too. This is my baby sister slash client, but I am so thankful that she trusted me with her hair, and I'm grateful that I was able to put a smile on her face. Um, Stick around again for more glam shots and the scripture of the day. Thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.